Hey y'all, look what I found at Pop Shelf yesterday. Pumpkin is the spice of life. I thought this little board was so cute. It can hang up in your kitchen or you can use it what I'm using it for. And that is like a charger or a placemat for my tea or coffee. Found this cute cup also in Pop Shelf. I'm not sponsoring Pop Shelf, so don't think that. And it's a thankful autumn cup. I've been using this for a minute. Place that right up there on my platform. And this morning I'm having homemade popovers with a little sauteed onions and black bean squash and kale and spinach that I had last night, just to finish it off. Hey, morning breakfast made for a queen. I love this. This is a great little platform for my tea and muffin or small treat in the morning. Be blessed. Bye now.